This session, we would be discussing the definition of accounting. Okay? This session, we would be looking at what is the definition of accounting. Accounting is said to be the art and the science of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions in a business. Now, I'll repeat, accounting refers to the art and the science of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions in a business. Now, we have touched upon two important aspects. First aspect is that accounting is an art. When we talk about art, what is the first thing that would come to our mind? Okay, so in art, presentation matters. So for example, if you're an artist, if you are a painter, okay, the combination of colors, the kind of stroke, the subject that you take, the combination of colors, all that would matter. So over there, presentation is very important. Creativity is very important. How you are showcasing or how the artist is showcasing his creativity to the public, to the interested participants, that is really very important. So just like that, in accounts, presentation matters. How exactly are you showcasing your information to the public, or how exactly are you showcasing the accounting information? That is very critical. That is very important. Another aspect about accounts is that it is a science. Okay? Now, when we talk about science, science always has definite laws. Science always has definite principles. Okay? When we talk about science, there are always definite laws and there are always definite principles which are involved. So accounting is an art and the science. So what does that mean? So just like art, where presentation or creativity matters, in accounts also presentation matters a lot. And then as a part of science, just like how we have laws and principles, in accounts also we have certain laws and principles. So here's the deal. Imagine I pick up my phone and I will hold up my phone and I would leave my phone. What would happen? My phone will fall. Now, why is my phone falling? It is falling as a result of law of gravity. Okay, it is falling as a result of law of gravity. Or I'm pretty sure in our earlier classes, we must have studied Newton's laws of motion. Or maybe when we studied chemistry, we must have studied, the atomic laws. Okay, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It's just exchanged. So all these are laws, all these are principles, right? So it's just like how you have definite laws, how you have definite principles in other areas. Likewise, even in accounting, there are certain laws and principles. Okay, so accounting is the art and the science. But why do you need this art? Why do you need this science? Because you have to record, you will have to classify, and then you have to summarize transactions in a business. Now here, the sequence of the events are very important. Okay, you have to record your transaction, then you have to classify your transaction, then you have to summarize your transaction. So I'll repeat, just like how you have a sequence or a series of events that are taking place in accounts, you have to carry out things in a systematic way. You have to record, then you have to classify, and then finally you have to summarize. But what are you recording? What are you classifying? What are you summarizing? You're doing all these three things to transaction. But what is the transaction? The exchange of goods or services between the buyer and the seller. Okay, so a business is responsible for bringing the buyer and the seller together. They will be carrying out some exchange, and someone has to keep a record, someone has to classify the transaction, someone has to summarize this transaction. So all this activity is taken care by accounting. Okay, so accounting is the art and the science of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions in a business. Okay, so next, let's look at some standard definitions of accounts. Okay, let's look at the standard definitions of accounts. So at this point of time, there are two important definitions that I would like to bring to you. One was given by AICPA, and the other is given by AAA, or American Accounting Association. The first one, which was given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, they have told accounts to be an art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Okay, so in a nutshell, that is what is meant by accounting. Now, American Accounting Association, what they have told is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of information, that is called as accounts. Okay? That is called as accounts. So these are two important definitions of accounts that you should be knowing, but in a nutshell, accounting is the art and the science of recording, classifying and summarizing transactions in a business. Accounts are said to be an art because in accounts, presentation matters. It is said to be a science because it has got certain definite laws, it has got certain definite principles. Okay? So that is the definition of accounts.